Hey guys, so we are on our way to Alabang. May na-discover kaming hotel na pwedeng pag-staycation, and especially sa mga young parents yan na may mga makukulit na kids katulad namin. The name of the hotel is Excelsior Hotel. Alabang Zapote Road lang ito eh. So kapag katulad mo ako na taga North ka, pag exit mo ng Skyway, mga 20 to 25 minutes nasa hotel ka na. Pero alam niyo guys, sakto-sakto talaga itong place na to relax and at the same time, enjoy niyo yung mga amenities. Kasi sobrang dami talaga. First is, yung nagustuhan ko, syempre, yung promo nila na Andy Food. Sarap kumain eh. And next is swimming pool, hindi mawawala yan. Biking and outdoor and indoor playground. Sa gabi naman, meron din silang movie night na pwede kang humiga. Marami pa actually. May photo booth, bubble party. Take note lahat ng station na ito ay unlimited snacks. Kaya halos di magkasya yung pantalon ko after ng bakasyon namin dito. Pero anyways, overall, sobrang ganda na yung experience namin and we spent 3 days and 2 nights. And yeah, here's the summary of our experience dito sa Excelsior Hotel. Please watch the video and enjoy. Tell me what it takes to get you feeling alive. Tell me how to show you it's a beautiful life. I'll do anything to pull you into the light, 'cause everything will change when you open your eyes.
Magta-plus ka na yata eh.
You gotta change your mind if you're gonna let go. No matter how you feel, nothing's holding you up. Nobody holding you back from the life that you want. All your life you've been chasing a ghost. You gotta change your mind if you're gonna let go. No matter how you feel, nothing's holding you up.
Happy birthday, Saina.
Happy birthday,
Saina. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Saina. Oh, blow the candle.
I love you, Saina. Are you happy?
Yes.
Here's your cake.